It's a 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLE Class. The M-Class has been renamed, and with the new moniker comes even more performance, luxury, and safety. The body has been tweaked with a twin power dome hood, redesigned headlights with LED daytime running lamps, sculpted fenders, and full LED tail lamps. The premium interior lighting, sunroof, polished wood trim, and hand-fitted upholstery invite you into a world of luxury, while Bluetooth and the command system with touchpad controller keep you informed and entertained. And while you're enjoying the quiet and comfortable ride, this GLE is always on alert for unexpected moments with attention assist, crosswind assist, and Pre-Safe Plus, which instantly prepares your vehicle for an accident.
The DVD entertainment system is perfect for your sweet little angels. The heated seats keep you comfortable no matter how cold it is. Hindsight is 20/20 with the backup camera.
A new era for luxury, performance, and safety. Test drive this GLE Class today.
Call or visit today. We're conveniently located at 2799 Piedmont Road in Atlanta.